So we were talking about custom trailers, and this is a custom trailer that was completely done in-house at Diamond Trailer's custom shop, correct?
Yes, sir. Myself and our options department.
In your options department. Okay, well, why don't you give us a little tour and tell us what we were looking at in the interior?
Yes, sir. So we have our hood fit that is also done in options. Everything that I'm going to explain is actually what is an upgrade that we have offered in our options department. You have your AC unit that is up here. We have our mill finish walls and mill finish ceilings.
And that's going to be an insulated ceiling too, which you can't see.
Yes, sir. And then we have our receps down here as well as on the other side. When we get here, we have our full down serving shelf as well as your concession windows.
With the glass and the screen sliding up and down. Yeah. And you can get those in multiple sizes, right?
Yes, sir, most definitely. And then you're going to come over here and you have your base cabinets, and we're going to take a look in here. And you got your fresh water tank and gray water tank down here.
Okay, so like an RV, but there's just no bathroom, right?
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay.
Another cool thing is you get the options of picking the colors for your base cabinets, and they obviously chose blue, which is very beautiful. And then we have our 3-bowl disc sink, as well as our 15 by 15 hand wash sink. And then on the side we have some more receps.
These are for hook up to a generator or other onshore power supply, right?
Yes, sir.
The other thing I think we missed was these are a recent addition. These are LED flat panel that come with the electrical package, right?
Yes, sir, most definitely. And then you have your RTP rubber treading floor, which is a great add, especially in a concession trailer.
Very durable and skid resistant. And then
Yes.
the only thing that I noticed that we didn't talk about was, I mean, of course you have your battery in here, and then you also have your shore power cable, which is run through a cutout in the floor, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and a hot water, instant on hot water heater. So
Yes, sir.
if you order we were talking about how if you order the 30 amp package, you get a 30 amp plug,
Right.
50 amp package, you get a 50 amp plug, and either way, you're gonna get a 60 amp panel box.
Yes, sir.
With breakers.
Yes, sir. And this concession trailer actually includes a porch. We have right here your propane cage, which is located on the right side. And then you have your D-ring tie downs. You have one here and one here as well.
Okay, so this trailer comes with 4, and a lot of people wouldn't use them with a custom trailer, but if you do have use for them, you can specify where those D-rings go, correct?
Most definitely.
And this floor is different from the one inside because this is metal. This is black RTP?
Yes, this is black RTP for the porch.
ATP.
ATP.
Okay, so here we have an external GFI outlet, which is an upgrade, and you can have those again placed wherever you want, custom placing. Okay. And then as we step off the porch, isn't it a nice porch? This gate is a standard feature, right?
Yes, sir.
And then we do have we have a ramp back here. So this is a porch trailer with the ramp. This is 8.5 wide, custom blue with the 8.0 polycore exterior. So that's a piece of metal with a composite backing, and that's 0.80 thick. And then tell us what other options this custom trailer has.
Concession window that swings upward, and then we have your exterior shelf that you can fold up as well.
Serving shelf, right?
Yes. And then we come on up here.
And this is where you put the fresh water into the tanks, right?
Yes, sir, most definitely. And then you can never go wrong with your 16-inch triple drip tongue.
That's an extended. This is the first extended tongue upgrade, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the 60-inch.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool.
And then you can obviously now you go into 72 inches as well. And then this is you got your black ATP, which is our blackout package.
So this is a black diamond full blackout package. So all of the exterior trim, none of it's going to be bright. It's all going to be black, correct?
Yes, sir, correct.
Okay, and then what do we got up here?
And then we have our 9-foot racing lights, 12 volt, and you will have one on the other side as well. And then we have our gray tank, water
Drain, yeah, good.
water drain.
Water drain cutout, yeah.
Okay.
And then the
Move on down, and we're going into the Spider Mag wheels, and this is an upgrade with 6K axles.
So 6,000 pound axles, as it used to be 5,200 pound axles. Now we've gone to, Diamond's gone to 6,000, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's a 12,000 pound gross vehicle weight custom Diamond Cargo concession porch trailer.
Yes, sir.